Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I'm really excited about today's video. I thought I would do a little stay-at-home clothing haul for you guys. Obviously, right now, we're all at home. I feel like if you're anything like me, you're literally living in joggers and loungewear and PJs, and that is it. So, everything is from Missguided, but this video is not actually sponsored. They did very kindly gift the clothes, so a big thank you to Missguided for gifting me these pieces. Obviously, you guys know I love Missguided. I've had a relationship with them for a couple of years now. They're one of my favourite brands to work with, and they do some of my favourite loungewear that is like a decent, affordable price, but still good quality and still lasts a really long time. So, I'm just gonna get started. I think there might be a discount code on Missguided at the minute as well. I'll check that. I will leave links to everything down below if you want to pick anything up for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to start with this top that I'm wearing right now. I'm actually not going to lift too high because I've not got a bra on and it is a tiny bit see-through, if I'm going to be honest. I really love wearing long-sleeved cropped tops just because I think they're really comfortable on, long sleeves so they keep you warm, and they're just really soft and cozy on the skin. This one is just plain white, as you can see. You'll see in the try on clip better as well. It's actually kind of like a corset style, so this is especially what drew me to this top. It's just the cut and the shape of it. So it's kind of got like a corset detail in the sense that it's got stitching to give the illusion of like ribs, like ribbing, if that's what you call it in a corset. I'm pretty sure that's what you call it, like bones. And then it's also got a kind of like a dipped, like curvy hem at the bottom, so it goes a little bit lower in the center and then it comes up towards the side. So just really flattering on your body, and obviously just adds a little bit of an extra detail to what otherwise would be a plain white top. But yeah, it's just really cozy. I really love it. I'm not wearing it with a bra today just because who's got time for a bra when you're staying at home all day? Not me. But yeah, I really like it. I've just paired it with black joggers. I'm not actually tanning my feet. Okay, next up I'm going to talk about what I wore in my last video. So the crop top that I wore is actually in the wash, but I do have a try on clip for it. So it's basically just a cropped grey halter neck ribbed top. I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like crop tops, bralettes, like just little comfy tops are essential for me if I'm going to be staying at home. It's pretty much what I wear on a daily basis if I'm working at home, just because I think they're really comfortable. You can layer them, which obviously I have in the try on clip. I layered it with this grey cardigan, which I also picked up from Missguided. It's just a really pretty knit. It's like a normal length, so it's not cropped and it's not super long, and it's kind of like a bat wing style sleeve, I guess. Like it's quite slouchy on the sleeves, which is what I really love about it, because if I'm gonna get a cardigan or like an oversized piece of knitwear, I really like it to be super slouchy and just comfortable on. Okay, and then next up we have a two-piece. So this on the website is actually sold as like a set, I believe. The thing that really drew this to me was the trousers. I wasn't as bothered about the top, if I'm gonna be totally honest, but the trousers, oh my gosh. Okay, so this would actually pair really well with the grey halter neck top that I was just showing and talking about. They're basically a pair of grey ribbed wide leg trousers, and they are high-waisted, which I absolutely love. So again, anything that's like ribbed cotton, wide leg trousers, like has elasticated waistband, for me, that just screams like comfort. First of all, the length is perfect. Honestly, as a girl that is like 5'7", I find it really hard sometimes to find wide leg trousers that are actually a decent length. Like they're usually too short on me. These are perfect. I feel like they'll go really well with trainers. I actually wore them out to Sainsbury's yesterday. Fun times. And I just paired them with like some white Balenciagas and also a cardigan that I'll show you later on in the haul as well. And then the top that they come with is actually a really nice top. It's probably, I mean, I would pair it together, and I show you two different ways to style it in the try on clip as well. I will probably wear it like tucked into something just because it gives you a little bit more shape. So yeah, I really like this, and I actually really love the neckline of this. It's just a really nice round neckline, but it's not too tight or too loose. So love that. It's probably one of my favorite things. Okay, and then again, I just picked up two little cropped vests. So again, literally just essential things for me around the house, and you can pair these so many different ways. Like you could wear these with joggers, jeans, leggings, skirts, shorts. Like you could wear these anyway throughout the whole year. So the first one is just black, and they are ribbed again. They've just got a round neck and no sleeves. And then this is the white version. So just to go with black and white joggers as little sets, like that's kind of just what I have in mind for these. Okay, and then next up, this is a little bit different for me because I never wear this colour, But I saw the top and I saw the joggers separately. They are separate pieces, and I just thought they were the cutest things ever. So this is the top. It's actually got a sleeve inside. So it's just a baby pink colour, which I have to be honest, I never wear pink. I never wear baby pink. I never wear anything like this. I just like don't really know if it's my colour. But yeah, it's just a little baby pink cropped top, and then it's got this graphic of lips going through the middle. It's a really, really nice fit. The thing that I love the most about this is kind of like this graphic, which I thought was really cute, and then also the fit of this. So this for me is like my ideal style of crop top. So it's just like a really nice soft cotton. It's really stretchy. It's not super cropped, but it's also not too long. And then I really like the sleeves, like they're just little short sleeves, which I just think look really pretty on your arms. And then I wanted to pick up some little pink joggers to go with, because to be honest, you could like pair these together, even though they are very slightly different tones of pink, which you'll probably see better in the try on clip. But Missguided joggers are definitely one of my favorite joggers. I've had some of my Missguided joggers for years and years and years, and I still love them to this day. So I wanted to pick up some baby pink ones to keep here, because I've never had any pink joggers before. The thing that I like about these as well, so I actually got these in a size 10, which I would usually be a 6 or an 8 in joggers. But because they've got the elasticated waistbands and they've got a drawstring at the front, it's really, really easy to just like snatch them in and just still make them fit. I did pick up some white joggers as well to keep here, because I feel like white joggers are just essential with everything. They pair so well with so many different pieces, and like I said, my white joggers always keep really well unless I spill food or makeup on them, which is 90% of the time. Again, these just have the little drawstring here, which is perfect, and they do have pockets as well, which I love, so picked those up. Okay, a bit random, but I really wanted a pair of leggings to keep here because I love wearing leggings. Yeah, they just feel really cozy. I don't know what it is. So these are just a pair of grey ribbed leggings. I feel like they actually pair really well with this top as well. Everything in this haul kind of just mixes and matches, which I really like. So I have to be honest, these are a little bit see-through. Like, I kind of wish they were a bit thicker, but for wearing around the house, they're absolutely fine. They'd actually work really well as like PJ bottoms as well. And they've actually got a little slit at the front on the leg, which I really like. And like I said, they are ribbed. They've also got this kind of like detail with like a big stitch going down the front of each leg. High-waisted as well, which I really love. They're just really, really comfortable on. So I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of those in the next few months whilst we're all at home. Right, okay, and then I need to share these because I've actually got these flares at home, but I've purchased them again just to keep at the flat because I'm obsessed with these flares. They are literally the softest, comfiest flares ever. Okay, so I'm not really usually a flare kind of person, but these black flares from Missguided I just absolutely love. I feel like they make your figure look really, really lovely. They kind of like pinch you in at the waist and make you look really curvy. They make your bum look really good, which I love. They're high-waisted, which is amazing. They're a little bit thin, so they can look a little bit see-through, and maybe size up so you're not kind of stretching them as much and they look like opaque, but they're just so comfortable on, and they're a really nice length. You can obviously like tuck them into like cozy socks as well, which I love doing when I'm sat on the sofa. Yeah, I just love them, and just with a pair of trainers, I just think they look really cool and really comfortable. I actually really love the way these are styled on the model as well, so I tried to get a similar cardigan on Missguided to the one the model is wearing, which I'll insert a picture of the model here. She was basically wearing like a white chunky cardigan with like brown tortoise buttons. Oh my gosh, I've literally been living in this cardigan. It's so comfortable. It's really soft. It's really just like chic. I love the fact that it's got the buttons at the front, so you can kind of customize like how you want the fit to be. You can do all the buttons up or just a couple of the buttons up. I love the fact that it's got a little frill at the end of the sleeves as well. I just think it's really cute on, so I actually really love that as a little outfit. But again, you could pair the flares or the cardigan with anything in this haul. Okay, and then I did pick up one thing that is not necessarily stay at home kind of vibes. I mean, to be honest, you could wear this at home and just be like that bitch and just put it on in the evening if you want to dress up, have a glass of wine with your boyfriend, your family, whatever it is. So I picked up this corset top because I saw this on the website and I actually couldn't not get it. Like, I'm just obsessed with it. So it's just a little cream corset, and the thing that I really love about it, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, you can probably see better in the try on clip, but it's got these little like stitches all throughout that kind of look like polka dots. So it kind of looks like it's got like little cream polka dots running through it, which I really love. I love the fact that it's got like bones. It never feels right calling them bones, but I believe they're called bones in corsets. And then it's also got a zip at the back to help get it on. I love the way it dips down at the front as well, just to give it more shape. And the actual little sleeves are so cute. They just kind of hang off your arm, off the corset, which I really love. It just looks really dainty and really pretty. But yeah, it's kind of like a little bit more extra for staying at home. I mean, obviously I'll get a lot of use out of this when we can go out again in summertime, hopefully. I'm hoping by my birthday I'll maybe at least be able to like go and see my friends or something. Okay, and then last but not least, I wanted to pick up a jacket just to like have to throw on. So I picked up this cropped denim jacket because I really love the colour of the denim of this. I'm quite picky when it comes to denim jackets. Like, I've only ever had one or two because I'm really fussy about what the colour of denim is, like what the wash of denim is. But I kind of like the fact that this is like washed out but still a really pretty blue colour. So it's just like a really cute cropped denim jacket. It's got raw hems on the bottom and on the bottom of the sleeves, which I really like. And I feel like it's just a really nice jacket for this kind of time because it's going in between like being cold and being really hot, so I feel like a lighter jacket is really essential. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up from Missguided for my little stay-at-home collection. I've literally been living in all of this stuff and I feel like it's just a really nice amount of clothes to have at home, just to like still have some variation but be able to mix and match everything as well, which is what we like. Everything will be linked down below. A huge thank you to Missguided for gifting all the pieces. I'm gonna get going anyway, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.